Here's the showroom machine, the vacuum conveyor installed. I already seen the video. And here, when we seen the machine, we make the hopper down because it's too high. So you just need to fix these 4 screws. Fix this 4 screw. And the inside here also have 4 screw. Mount them well, it's okay. And here, this wire, this tube, it's also down, so you just put it on and clamp it well. And the upper part connect with the machine is okay. And also there have one level sensor. Here, put it inside and fix it is okay.